What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Dark Bowser Jr. from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw a curve for the top edge of the nose. So we're going to start over on the left side. Let's bend this up in the middle, go across, and then bring that down. Now on either side along the top we're going to add two curves. We're going to go up and hook that down, line this up on the right, going up and then back down. Let's leave a gap and draw the mouth. We're going to start over on the left, come down in the middle, and then bend that up. And we'll fold the cheeks, stepping up, come down and out across the corners of the mouth. On the bottom right, let's add the fang, coming down and up. Now we want to fold the cheeks in behind. Let's start over on the left, and go all the way around the mouth, and then pull that in towards the chin. And we'll line that up on the right, going all the way around, and then in. Let's add a bump for the chin, starting on the left, coming down, and then back up. Now let's go back up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. We're going to leave a gap in the center. On the left side, let's bend this out and then up. Line this up on the right, going out and then up towards the same height. Now I want to add 2 points on the end. Come straight down and then go straight out. And then from the outside, we're just going to taper this down and then in. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now along the bottom, we're going to add 2 circles for the eyes underneath the eyebrow, going around and then back up. And then we want to surround the eyebrows at the top of the head. Let's start on top of the cheek, going up, round out the head, go across, and then back down. Let's add those 2 spikes along the side, starting with a curve going around and in. And we'll place the spike in behind from the top, then it's up and then out, come down and in towards the bottom. Let's add that hair in the center. We're going to start with a gap in the center, draw 2 lines going up, and then we'll round out the top. Let's go over towards the left side. We're going to bend this around and then back in, and we'll add a point coming down. Let's add a longer point, going all the way around and then down, and then bend that in. Let's add 1 more point, coming around toward the side, come in and then back down. Now we want to place the bib underneath the head. Let's start over the left side, come down, across, and then in, and then we're going to add a fold, stepping back, come down and in towards the middle, go out towards the right, and then up underneath the cheek. Let's add a fold along the top, stepping in, come down and in on both sides. Let's add the end of the bib over on the right side, starting from the side of the head, then it's up and out, come in, down, and then bend that in towards the cheek, and then in the center, we're going to add a fold. Let's add that symbol in the center. We'll start underneath the chin, come around and bend that in on both sides. Go back to the left, push this up in the middle, come down and then out towards the right. Let's trace that along the inside. And then in the middle, we're going to add that zigzag for the teeth, going up and then down, and working our way across towards the right. Now let's tuck the center patch of the body underneath. We're going to start over on the left, come around in towards the middle, and then up towards the right, and then we'll add a seam. On the left, bend this down and in behind, continue up on the right. Now just underneath, we're going to add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Let's step in, bend the heel, coming in and down towards the bottom of the feet, and then round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then out. Let's add that first claw. From the outside, we're going to bend this up and then back down towards the bottom. From the tip, we're going to step up, and it's out up toward the tip with the second claw. Go up, and then tuck that in on top. Let's do that one more time. Stepping up, going out, go up, and then back down. Now we're going to go back to the side of the body, step out and draw the thigh. On the left side, we're going to bend this out, round out the knee, and then bend that in. And then we'll line that up on the right, going all the way around, and then in. On top last claw, bend the foot, going up and in behind the thigh. Now from the top of the leg, we're going to step out, angle the arm, coming down and out towards the wrist with a straight line. Now in between, we're just going to round out the body, just close that off. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round out the cuff, going around and then up towards the top of the arm. And then from here, bend the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Now we want to wrap that thick cuff around the wrist. We're going to start from the top. We're going to start with the edge. Just going to trace the arm coming around and just tuck that up underneath the bottom. And then from the top and bottom, we're just going to draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Close off the end with another curve. Now from this bottom point, we're going to draw the thumb, coming down and then up, add a bracket on the ends. From the edge of the thumb, we draw the first finger, going around that bracket, and then in. And then we're going to layer 2 more fingers in behind, starting from the top, going around and in, step in, and just tuck that up underneath. Now I want to bring the tail coming out from the right side. So from the side of the leg, I'm just going to bend the tail going out and up toward the tip. Then it's down and then back in. Now I want to see the edge of the shell in between the arm and legs and up towards the cheek. So starting from the side, we're going to step out, bend this down and in. Let's go to the top of the arm, bend this up and then in towards the cheeks. Let's add one more set of spikes along the side. Going up and out. And we'll bend this down and in towards the arm, and then mirror that over on the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Dark Bowser Jr. from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.